Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about different ways that you can invest in a call option. There are actually many ways, but here we will talk about three major ways. And even if you don't understand any of this concept, we will have more videos discussing these in more details in this course. And I'll start with the first way. The first way is that you are bullish on a stock. So when you are bullish on a stock, you can just do one thing. You can just buy a call, right? When you think that the stock is going to go up, you can just buy a call. So in that case, your profit chart will look like this. So this is your profit, this is your stock, and when you buy a call option, you are, suppose if you are buying at this stage, you are having some losses because you spend some money to enter into the call option contract, and then as the stock goes up, you start to make money. And this is how your profit chart will look like when you are bullish on a stock and you buy a stock. So this is one of the way to invest in a stock. The second way is that you already hold a stock. So you hold a stock, right? And in this case, you are holding a stock. So because you are holding a stock, your profit chart will look more like this, right? So this is your profit, this is your stock. So this is a profit chart for the stock itself, right? Now, so suppose if this is 200 and you think that the stock is not going to go more than 300. So you think that this is where I want to get out of the position, or I don't think it's going to go more than 300, at least for a given amount of time. So suppose if the time is equal to 1 month. So you think that for 1 month, I don't think the stock is going to go up more than 300. So let's say this is 300, right? So what you can do is you can sell. So sell call for strike 300. And suppose if you get $20 for selling that call option. So now because you got $20, so you are at this point right now, right? So at this point, you immediately have some profit because you sell it for $20, you immediately make $20 here. Now, if the stock goes up from here, you will still make money, but you will not make any money after it gets to 300. So at 300, you already capped your profit. So you will be stuck, and your profit will be stuck here, right? Because you already predicted you're not gonna make money after it goes to 300. However, if it goes down, you will start making losses at 180 instead of 200 because you made $20 by selling the call option, and then it goes down, right? So this is how your profit chart will look like. But in case of the stock itself, you have unlimited profit. So here you make $20 extra, and by selling a call option. So this strategy itself, so this is called you have a stock plus you have a short position on a call. So this is itself is called covered call. So a lot of time what people do is when you are sitting here, the stock is not moving much, you sell a call option. After 1 month, the stock is still sitting here, the call goes zero, you sell another call option. So if you keep doing this, so suppose if I am sitting at 200 right now, so for 1 month, I made $20. I sell call. If after 1 month the stock is still at, suppose it is at now $220, then I can sell it another month. So next month I sell again for $25 maybe, and then I'll make money. Suppose if the stock goes to now 230 or maybe 250, then I can again sell another call option for $35 for $300 strike, right? And then I can keep making monthly income by selling the covered calls. So we'll talk more about this in the upcoming videos. So the third option or third way to invest in the call option. So we had one way is to just buy the call option. The other way is to hold a stock and do this. And the third option is the downward protection. Suppose now we have a position where we are bearish on the market, right? So if we are bearish in the market, we are short on a stock. So when we are short on a stock, then our profit chart will look like this. So this is your stock price and this is your profit, right? So the profit chart will look like this. This is your $200, the same example I'm using for all of them. So now if you are if the stock goes down, you make money. If stock doesn't go down, it goes up, you lose money, right? So to save yourself from losing the money, what you do is you buy a call option. So when you buy a call option, now let me do another chart. So when you buy a call option, you immediately lose some money. So you already start from here, right? So you buy a call option. So when you buy a call option, then if the stock goes down further, you are going to make money, and that money will cancel out whatever losses you are having because the stock is going up. So from here you will start plateauing. So I'll say that again. So because you are short on the stock, when the stock goes up, you will lose money on the stock, but you will also make money on the call. So they will cancel out each other and you will have a downward protection here. But when the stock goes down, you will make money, and that will be same as when you are shorting the stock. The only difference is that it will be $20 lower because you bought a call to protect yourself against losses. So this is how the plot will look like. So here you are short on stock, plus you have long on a call. So now if you look at this carefully, this is pretty much similar to a put option. So instead of getting into this position, you can also just buy a put option. And this is we'll discuss about this in more detail in the upcoming video. And I hope this helped, and I'll see you next time.